It's a new day here in Srinagar, Kashmir, and it's raining like it did yesterday. And we're going to visit a Mughal garden, also a floating garden, I think a floating market. But the day I arrived here in Kashmir, the weather was actually very good, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of it now. I'm sitting here in the garden having some tea, and I have an amazing view. The snow-covered mountains. We took this small little boat so we can get to this houseboat. The owner of my guest house is also the owner of this houseboat, and no one is living here right now. So we're gonna chill here for a while on the porch and wait for another boat, I think a small boat with a roof, so we don't get too wet. We're gonna go this way, the canal, and I think over here somewhere is a floating market and perhaps the floating garden. And he has two boats, this one and that one. They are pretty big, with bathrooms, bedrooms, everything, living room, dining area. The day has just started and I'm already pretty wet. So I hope the rain stops soon. Leaving the houseboat and going for the next destination. It's about 30 minutes after the last clip, and you can see the sun is shining. The rain has stopped.
And
I don't know where we're going now. Where are we going?
We're going to the floating market.
Okay, floating market.
And the islands.
Yeah, floating market and islands.
Island and the village city for the market, for shopping.
Okay.
For the Kashmir wool.
Okay.
Kashmir diamond. Sapphire.
Yeah.
They get love with me. I love
Yeah. Nice mountains. Before we reach our destination, I think we're gonna grab some food here from the boat restaurant. We have a little grill, a little bit of food. Make some freshly made chicken. He's good? The best?
Fresh one. I leave it.
gonna wait for the food.
मैं ये बेच देती मन इसे यार तुम करना ऐसे मान मगर मुसीबतों
Açıkra fikri açı ölhum, ölüyor, ölçüyor, ölçadım. Oturayken misal sevini bakat. Oturayda word.
Food is done, and this is chicken tikka, I think.
Gerçi Hasan.
Chicken tikka?
Yeah, chicken tikka good.
Yes, yes. Very good.
Nasıl kok? Ha? Bu çok tamam ne çok tamam. Bu lacı falan söyle.
We got a little thirsty from the kebab, and the barbecue boat, he didn't have any drinks, so we stopped at this one. Is it cold one?
You want a cold one?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Is it possible?
yeah.
This is vegetable islands, and it's not season right now, but
Too black.
they grow everything on them: tomatoes and watermelons, spinach. See some ducks.
Yeah, yeah.
And we're making our way to the floating market, right? Yeah.
To the village market where Kashmir,
Where they manufacture.
manufacture everything.
Yeah,
Every stuff.
yeah.
People from Ladakh, from Tibet, they bring stuff here. From Lhasa.
Yeah. Pashmina wool and Kashmir wool, carpets,
also.
handmade
Handmade.
carpets.
Kaju! Ita tur kaju! Hey, yaar, shah ware! Some kanch. Bahut sakdun yor. You go for this one. Pure. You do back.
So we have been at the floating market many hours now, so it's time to head home. I did some shopping. I bought some nice Kashmiri handicrafts, and if you're looking for nice handicrafts, you should definitely visit the floating market. It's located at Dal Lake. You can find some nice Kashmir wool and walnut carvings, paintings. Yeah, some really nice handicrafts. And yeah, should pay it a visit. Time to head home and call it the day.